Hello gentlemen, how are you? Today I will make you understand piping isometric drawing, how to read and how to make wire bending. This is very important for the pipe fitter. Let's start. So for the isometric drawing, this is our isometric drawing. For the isometric drawing, first we will check the knot. So for this drawing we have knot this side. Understand? We have knot this side. So we will draw this diagram. This is knot, this is up, this is east, west, south, down. Now from we will start here. This is weld neck flange and the point is butt weld. Where it is going? It is going up. See, it is going up. Then where it is going? It is going west. We have 90-degree elbow here. Also 90-degree elbow here, but wait. Now it is going south. Here we have 90-degree, but when 90-degree elbow, it is going west to south. Then up. Here also button. Then east. Then up. Then south, then up, then south, then up. So we come to know how to read isometric drawing. First, you should know this drawing, this diagram. If you know this diagram, it will be easy to read. Now, second step, we will make wire bending. So we will start from X. Where it is going? It is going up. Okay. Then where it is going? West. From me, west will be this side. You can see this side. Okay. So west. Then where it is going? Going to south. South means back. Then where it is going? It is going to up. Then where it is going? It is going to up. Then where it is going? East. So keep east. Then where it is going? Then again up. Again south. Again up. Again south. South is back, then again up. So, see, up, west, south, up, east, up, south, up, south, up. You can check here. Now, we will make a demo. Let's start demo. So where it is going? First it is going up. Then where it is going? West. So same. We will keep here the elbow. This is elbow. Then we will keep west. West will be this direction. You can see here this direction. Then it is going west to south. South means back. It is going to back. Then we'll elbow here. It is going up. See. Then it is going east. East will be my right hand. See. Then it is going up. Here also elbow 90. Then pipe here. Then it is going south. South means your back. Insert here. Then it is going up. Keep here. So I will keep here. It will be easy for you to understand. Now we have here. We have here up, then south. So we'll go south, then it is going up. It is going up. We will keep here up. Now this is the demo. You can see same like this isometric drawing. So you are going to work actual like this. Okay, you are going to work actual like this demo. You can see here up, west, south, up, east, up, south, up, south, up. See, you can see here. This is the demo. So guys, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching.